Well, I think, to kind of start, there's a lot of there's a lot of stuff there to work with. But kind of as a starting off place, there we have to acknowledge the fact that we want to provide the best possible training experience for those developers, but we're never going to get to the point where they're 100% happy. I'm convinced we're never going to get to the point where all the developers take a survey and 7 out of 7, they all say we have the right amount of security training, right? So I think from a structural point of view, we have to start this conversation by saying, what do we have to what are the ultimate benefits for the company? And what do we need developers to do from a security perspective to contribute towards those goals and objectives that we have? We know we live in a world now where, how many breaches were announced today, the day we're recording this? Like, there's a couple big ones that came out that are getting everybody's attention. And if we peel that back and we start deducing what happened when that incident response report comes out, there will be some security vulnerability that maybe was a result of a software decision the developer made or a design decision. And those are all going to point back to the fact that somebody didn't have enough education, whether it was on the infrastructure side, whether it was in the code they were actually writing. And so I guess my first thing that I want to just challenge us with is to say, we have to draw the bar. And I'm with you. I never want to, one of the maxims I live by, I never want to give a developer something that doesn't apply to them, that takes more time than they need to, because all of us here, we know that developers have a finite amount of time to do the things they have to do. And their primary job is to build awesome stuff for our customers so that our customers buy more stuff and the cycle continues and, we get paychecks and everything else along the way. So, but the key is we're never going to get to the point where they're agreeing with us that, yes, we've hit the right amount of training, but they know the risk right now. Like, no developers is looking at the breaches that happened today and going, that couldn't happen to us. My code would never be susceptible to that. It's not happening today.